Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Bitwise left shift operator in Bitwise operators. So first of all, what are operators in Python? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform some operations on values. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values and plus is the operator. So now coming to bitwise left shift operator, which is represented with two less than symbols. So it is used to perform operation on binary values of a given number, zeros and ones. So bitwise left shift, two less than symbol, it is applied like this: a left shift of 2. So what it will do is it will shift bit levels towards left side by given number of times. Okay, so 2 times it will shift the bit levels towards left side. So if you take a 10, its binary representation is 00001010, 8 bits. Similarly, if we take b 18, its binary representation is 000101010, which is 8 bits. So now coming to shift operations on a. So a is 10. So 10 is represented as 00001010. Its corresponding decimal values are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So wherever there is 1, add the values. So we have 1 here. So 8 plus 2, which is equals to 10. So now coming to the a left shift of 2. Now we will shift this bits towards left side, 8 bits towards left side by 2 times. Okay, right, so it goes like this: 1 time. Okay, so we'll shift it towards left side by 2 times, 1 time, 2 times. Okay, so what is happening here? So 2 bits are left empty. Okay, on the right side 2 bits are left empty, replace them with zeros. Okay, and on the left side 2 bits are moving out of order, just ignore them. Okay, you can ignore them, right? So when we ignore those 2 bits, this is the corresponding 8-bit number: 00101000. Now add the values here: 32 plus 8. So 32 plus 8, which is 40. Okay, so similarly b. So b is 18. Its corresponding binary representation is 0001010. So add the corresponding decimal values wherever there is 1. So 16 plus 2, it is 18. Okay, right. So now let us try to shift this towards left side by 2 times. So b left shift of 2. Okay, so let us shift this 2 times by left side: 1, 2. So bits which are left empty on the right side, replace them with 0. So 0 and 0. And bits which are moving out of order on the left side, ignore them. Okay, so this is the corresponding 8-bit value: 0100 1000. Okay, right, so let us add the values wherever there is 1. 64 plus 8. Okay, so 64 plus 8, answer should be 72. So let us try to perform with this a small program. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. A 10, B 18. So A left shift of 2, B left shift of 2. So we should get the answer as 40, 72 respectively. So come to the command prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python bitwise left shift operator example1 .py. So A left shift of 2 40, B right shift of 2 72. So this is how we are supposed to work with bitwise left shift operator, which will shift bit levels towards left side by given number of times. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.